Do you have entrepreneur ADD? That's next. Welcome back to the Summit Castle channel. Derek Van Shake here, and yes, I'm wearing a pink shirt. I often try to think of the best way to describe what that motion of success looks like to entrepreneurs so they can envision it for themselves. You know, success doesn't follow the bouncing around from one thing to another. For example, today I'm working on a makeup line and tomorrow I'm starting a jewelry line. That's just a recipe of accomplishing very little over a very long time. So what does success look like then? It's focused repetitions. Some may even call it boring because you're doing the same proven things every single day with just incremental improvement. Notice I said two important things here. I said proven and incremental improvements. Okay? We're not talking about doing something that we think may work and do that every single day. Okay? Because that hasn't been proven. It's only when it's proven, that's when you do it every single day. With what? Incremental improvements. As you do those proven motions every single day, you're going to be seeing how things can be improved. So over the course of a single day, it's going to be very incremental, very, very small changes. But over the course of a year, the changes are going to be monumental. I think a lot of entrepreneurs get bored and discouraged, which causes them to want to start that jewelry line because it's new and exciting. I call this entrepreneur ADD. Although that jewelry line is new and exciting today, I promise you in a few months, it will also be boring and mundane. So what next? Another venture? You see, the problem with doing this is that you're never giving anything of what you're doing enough of your focus and enough of your time to see any type of worthwhile traction. Your level of focus as an entrepreneur is one of the key determining factors of your success. It's your focus that will keep you on track, doing all those similar things every single day, but just slightly better than yesterday. As the saying goes, your repetitions are your reputation. Many don't have the patience, stamina, or drive to keep those repetitions going each day, which unfortunately costs many entrepreneurs their success. Have you ever seen the US Marines march? It's not flailing around and, oh, look, a crazy looking bird just landed over there. Let's go check it out. You know, or, oh, my parents are in the audience. Hi, mom and dad, right? None of that. Their march is focused, strong, and repetitive. They put one foot in front of the other with a focus that's so intense, it's like nothing will ever stop them. When I get up in the morning, that's the image that I put in my head. Throughout the day, if I need a kick, that's what I think about, because that is the motion of success. I invite you to use it too. Now in the comments, how important do you think focus is? Let us know. Put that in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe button so new insightful videos on business success come right to you. And we'll see you at the top.